on this computer, and then let me take you to the presentation. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, after the Brahmasthana, you know, what is happening, what is wrong in Indian Vastu Shastra? What we are practicing nowadays in India. What they're doing is, they are just teaching their students how to balance the five elements. The because पांच तत्वों से ही आपका घर बना होता है. पांच तत्व की डायरेक्शंस होती हैं घर में. आपके शरीर के अंदर भी पांच तत्व होते हैं. फाइव एलिमेंट्स, राइट. और जब भी आप ज्योतिष की या वास्तु की वर्कशॉप लगाते हैं, उसमें ये लोग केवल आपको यही बताते रहेंगे कि यहाँ पर अर्थ एलिमेंट की कमी है, वहाँ पे वाटर एलिमेंट को खराब किया गया है, वहाँ पे ये सी मैं नहीं कहता कि ये गलत है. आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट दिस इज रॉन्ग. दिस इज करेक्ट, बट दिस इज अ वेरी स्मॉल एस्पेक्ट ऑफ बैलेंसिंग द थिंग्स. दैट is an easy job. You can learn that balancing in 2 days or 3 days of workshop. But to understand the directions is the most important thing. और उस अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ डायरेक्शंस पे कोई टाइम ही नहीं लगाता है जब वास्तु सिखाया जाता है. nobody nobody puts that thing. They will tell you, okay, this direction नॉर्थ ये है, नॉर्थ ईस्ट ये है, इसका देवता ये है, इसमें ये हुआ. बट कभी क्या आपने उस डायरेक्शन को वैदिक ज्योतिष के साथ जोड़ा? No, that is the most important thing. जब तक आप किसी डायरेक्शन, किसी देवता को वैदिक ज्योतिष के साथ नहीं जोड़ेंगे, आप वास्तु में एक्सपर्टीज नहीं ला सकते. आपको थोड़ा बहुत वैदिक ज्योतिष आना, उसको समझना जरूरी है. अगर नहीं भी आता है तो भी मैं इस कोर्स के अंदर आपको उस चीज को क्लियरली जो है मैं आपको एक्सप्लेन कर दूंगा. सो दैट्स समथिंग वेरी वेरी very very important. Nishanji, if you could just turn off your video, because then the screen is there, everybody has turned off their video, they're just listening. So I would request you to just, yeah, thank you. Okay, so the Ishan Kona is called the northeast direction, right? So so ladies and gentlemen, I would like to tell you, this is not northeast, or this is not east northeast. It is the exact northeast direction, राइट. सो नॉर्थ ईस्ट डायरेक्शन, जो एग्जैक्ट नॉर्थ ईस्ट डायरेक्शन होती है, ये जो कोण आपको बीच में नजर आ रहा है रेड और ब्लैक, या ये जो कोण है, ये एग्जैक्ट नॉर्थ ईस्ट डायरेक्शन होता है. और नॉर्थ ईस्ट डायरेक्शन को इतना ऑस्पिशियस क्यों माना गया है? क्योंकि यहाँ पर इसकी जो लॉर्डशिप है वो भोलेनाथ के पास है, शिवा, राइट. दिस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. But nobody will tell you that why Northeast is ruled by Shiva. Everyone will tell you that Northeast belong to Shiva, Northeast belong to Shiva, but nobody is telling you, right? See, the first thing is that you cannot learn any Tantra Vidya, any Mantra Vidya, any Yantra Vidya without Shiva. Take my words, right? See, Shiva is the only source that will give you Tantra, Mantra, Yantra, Vidya. And when you see the location of Shiva, where Shiva is meditating, if you people are in India, can somebody tell me where is the Kailash Parvat?
Northeast.
Northeast direction.
You understand what I mean? Shiva sits in the northeast.
But Shruti ji got dropped. Can you add her?
Yeah.
Add her.
Yeah. So Shiva is in the northeast in India. Practically, Shiva is sitting there. Because Shiva knew that he will get 100% clarity in that particular angle at that particular degree. Simple. If you go to Kailash Parvat, The Kailash Parvat is in the northeast. It is in the exactly northeast. That is the absolute Ishan Kona. And Shiva is sitting on the top when nobody can come. You can just circle around the Kailash. You can just do a parikrama. You won't be able to reach there. Many mountain climbers tried, but they could not win it. They lost the battle. They just lost it. So Shiva is there, you know, in the northeast. And Shiva is the highest level of clarity. And that clarity and knowledge that Shiva has is coming from obviously a source called Brihaspati. So Brihaspati is blessed by Shiva and Shiva is blessed by the knowledge of Brihaspati. Deva Guru. So Dev Guru is in charge. So Jupiter, in the Brahman is found in the northeast. The Ishan is ruling planet. Now, this is Jyotish which is coming in the picture right now with you people. It is coming from Brihaspati and the Lord is Shiva. So now if you have Brihaspati and Shiva in the northeast direction from where you are sitting or from your home, or the northeast corner is a place from where if you directly fly, if your Sushma Sharir directly fly, it will reach Shiva or Brihaspati. And where is the Shiva sitting? Shiva is sitting on the water source. There's ice and snow all around. What is snow and ice? It is the water source. And why there is water in the northeast is because Shiva is blue in color because of the उन्होंने जहर पी लिया सारी दुनिया का सारे समाज का and water is blue. That is the reason that most of the time wherever you go you will see the water as a blue in color. Who will tell you that why water is blue? Shiva will tell you why water is blue, because Shiva is sitting on that water source. That is why the Ishan Kona is so important. And it is so auspicious that Vastu Purush is bowing his head in the northeast. See, it is not that that Brahma ji ne sthapit kar diya. ब्रह्मा जी ने स्थापित किया वास्तु पुरुष को, लेकिन वास्तु पुरुष में भी दम था. उसको पता था कि अगर मैं झुकूंगा तो मैं वहीं से झुक सकता हूं जिसने मुझे अस्तित्व दिया है. और वो अस्तित्व किसका है? वो अस्तित्व भोलेनाथ का है, शिवजी का है. इसीलिए जब आप वास्तु पुरुष को देखते हैं, सो द हेड ऑफ द वास्तु पुरुष इज टुवर्ड्स द नॉर्थ ईस्ट. आई अंडरस्टैंड दैट ऑल दी देवताज एंड ब्रह्मा उन्होंने दबा दिया वास्तु पुरुष को, लेकिन दबते दबते वो मूव हो सकते थे. ही वॉज सो इंटेलिजेंट. ही वॉज द स्वेट ऑफ शिवा, वास्तु पुरुष. और उन्होंने अपना सिर झुकते झुकते नॉर्थ ईस्ट की तरफ झुकाया, क्योंकि वास्तु पुरुष की एग्जिस्टेंस ही शिवा थी. शिवा से ही एग्जिस्ट हुए थे. इट इज फॉर्म ऑफ अ शिवा, इट इज एनर्जी ऑफ अ शिवा, इट इज कम आउट ऑफ द स्वेट ऑफ द शिवा. And when you have the head of that Vastu Purush pointing towards the northeast, it simply says it is the most intelligent place in your home. It's a place where you will get 100% clarity. It is a place where you will get the crown chakra. You can reach the crown chakra sitting in the Ishan Kona. You see, the Vastu Purush chakras, the crown chakra is exactly on the northeast. And all the chakras of the body are aligned with the northeast. They are on the axis of the northeast. Can you believe this? Tell me one single person of the Vastu Shastra who has said this thing. Tell me one single person. जिसने YouTube की हिस्ट्री में इतना बोलते हैं वास्तु वास्तु, किसी के दिमाग में ये बात गई कि सात के सात चक्र जो है दे आर अलाइंड इन द नॉर्थ ईस्ट, दे आर ऑन द सेम एक्सिस, सेम लाइन, द सेम लाइन ऑफ द नॉर्थ ईस्ट. Can you imagine the light, the beam of energy which is coming from the northeast? It is directly coming from Shiva and Brihaspati. Directly coming from Shiva and Brihaspati. And what if you have a toilet there? What if you have a heavy material and obstacles there? What if that area is dirty? Will the reproductive organ work? Because Jupiter is also reproduction. See, Jupiter is reproduction because the northeast, the sthan, this is the first chakra, the tail point. Why, Jupiter is the karka of children is because simply it is in a line of northeast. Is that simple as that? Which is also called the Brahma Chakra. And there are reproductive organs just next to the Brahma Chakra. And if your northeast is not good, you will not be able to conceive children. Your digestion will be bad, your brain will be bad, your entire home will feel paralytic. Because if the entire body is working and if the brain is not working, that particular situation is called paralysis. So when the northeast is bad, actually you are inviting a paralytic environment at home. People are saying Ishan Kona, fine. Can you go deep? Can you understand what is the Ishan Kona? Why all the chakras are aligned with the Ishan Kona just on the same line of the northeast, exact same line of the northeast? The Vastu Purush is bowing his head towards the northeast. And the brain and the clarity and the intelligence, everything is coming from that particular beam of light which is coming from the northeast. And if you keep a slope, towards the northeast, it is fantastic because the energy will be more coming to you. And if you raise your northeast and the slope is towards the southeast, you are blocking northeast. So if you want to keep a slope, make sure it should always go towards the northeast. Always towards the northeast. There should not be any heavy things towards the northeast where the energy is getting blocked. Imagine you keep a generator set, 500 kVA, 60 kVA, 80 kVA, 100 kVA in the northeast. You're blocking the energy which is directly coming from Shiva and Brihaspati and Ma Lakshmi. Because all these 7 chakras, the planets, the Shukracharya, Ma Lakshmi, everyone. And कौन सा रूप है माँ लक्ष्मी का नॉर्थ ईस्ट के अंदर? This रूपा is called the Santan Lakshmi. Brihaspati is giving you children because of the blessing of the one of the forms of Lakshmi called Santan Lakshmi. Brihaspati himself cannot give it. Brihaspati has to take from some celestial power, that supernatural power, and that supernatural power is nothing but Ma Lakshmi. And there's a roop of Ma Lakshmi called the Santan Lakshmi. That is why if your northeast is bad and you're not conceiving children, even after IVF, you're not conceiving children because of XYZ reasons, and your children are not obeying you, they're pissing you on your face, they're disobeying you, got to correct your northeast. If you do not correct your Northeast, your situation will not be good. Take my words. Take my words. Your children will never prosperous. And if your children will never prosperous, where is your future? You lost the game. You build an empire which is gone. That empire will not survive. That important is the Northeast. And Mother Nature is telling you, the Kal Purush is telling you, when I say Kal Purush, yes, the head. And when the Vastu Purush is telling you, when the seven chakras is telling you, why, why to build something which is bad in the Northeast. You can have so many things in the Northeast. You're not able to conceive, check your Northeast. Water element is in the Northeast. Northeast should have the Ishwar Sthana. Ishan Kon means Ishan is Ishwar. Ishwar is Shiva. And the Sthana is the angle. So if you want to take knowledge, if you want to teach, where I'm sitting in the exact Northeast right now, and I'm teaching you people. And you and I, both of us are damn clear about what we have to learn. We are we are clear as an ocean of knowledge that this is what I want to teach, and this is what I expect out of my students, and this is what I'll give to my students and my followers and my clients. Very, very clear. That clarity, that clarity can only come from Shiva. Those those five element mantras. Om Shivaya Nama, Om Shim Shivaya Nama, Om Vam Shivaya Nama, Om Yam Shivaya Nama, Om Nam Shivaya Nama, Om Mam Shivaya Nama. Yogi the other day pointed out that, sir, these are five elements. He's correct. He's correct. It should be light. It should be open. It should be clean. You can have main door, but that should be exactly northeast. But do not enter with alcohol or non-vegetarian food or tamasic things from the northeast. That is why personally I do not prefer a door in the northeast. I do not suggest. I do not suggest, because the energy would stop coming. The Shiva, see Brahaspati क्या मांगते हैं? Brahaspati सात्विकता मांगते हैं. The day you lose the satoguna, Brahaspati will go. The Brahaspati will turn his face and he will never look at you again the day you lose your satoguna. That is the problem with Jyotish. That is the problem with Vastu. That is the problem with Vastu. You have a northeast door and you are bringing the Tamasic and Rajas. The Brahaspati just turns his face away and is not looking. The prosperity is gone. The clarity is gone. The Lakshmi is gone. Saraswati is gone. The children's prosperity is gone. The education is gone. Why to take a panga? Keep it open. Keep it clear. Have some windows where the light is coming. Make it a temple. Never make a kitchen there. Never. Because it is not going to be a temple kitchen. You are going to cook with Rahu and Ketu. What is Rahu? What is Ketu? Onion and garlic. Rahu and Ketu is onion and garlic. You are going to bring those elements there. You are going to bring Agni in the Jalasthana. No, 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 no. You cannot. You want your people, accounts team in the office to work accurately for you, make your account team sit in the northeast. If you sit in the northeast, you'll be more spiritual. You'll not be commanding. To command, you got to sit in the southwest. Simple. Because Shiva is not commanding, Shiva is meditating. You disturb him and then he does the Tandava. He is blessing in his meditation to the entire world, and in his Bhole Bhav, in his humbleness, he is giving everything to everyone. Whosoever is asking Shiva that Shiva give me this, Shiva say Tathastu, I will give you. That's what Shiva is all about. That's what Northeast is all about. That's what Ishan Kona is all about. It is that important. And imagine if you have a water filter there, drinking water. The water is something that energizes so well, so immediately. इसीलिए जल को मंदिरों में, गुरुद्वारों में, मस्जिद में रखा जाता है ताकि वो चरणामृत बन जाए, अमृत बन जाए, और आप जो भी पिए वो ठीक हो जाए. If you have any diseases, problems at your home, simply put a water source of drinking in the northeast, and you will realize that the entire jala will become amrit, and health, wealth, prosperity, especially the health, will come back to you. That is the important. And if your plot is extended towards northeast, fantastic. You have increased the angle of northeast. It is bringing more energy at your home. But if it is other way around, towards the southwest or towards the northwest, no, 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 no. You can take an extended plot, but the extension should always be towards the northeast. Simple. Never ever have a slope. With the slope, with the slope in the south, it's a problem. With the slope in the north, is very, very good. Because with the slope in the north, you are exposing to the energy more. You are bowing the head of your entire home towards the northeast. आपका पूरा घर झुक के सलाम कर रहा है नॉर्थ ईस्ट को. Nobody has told the reasoning that why there should be slope. They're suggesting have a slope, have a slope. And what if it is high? That means your home is higher than the energy of Shiva. Your home is higher than the energy of Brihaspati. Are you mad? That is where you have to understand these logics to understand Jyotish and Vastu Shastra. Now you put a water tank, toilets, bar, master bedroom where you're having physical relations and intimacies. Kitchen. What is happening? It is blocking your chakras, especially the kitchen. It is bringing ego. It is bringing fire. The water, the nourishment is going from the brain. Staircase, never elevate it. Northeast. There should not be any septic tank. You can keep water, but there should not be a water source. Electric meter, garbage, don't do it. It is the purest direction, from the all the directions, the health, the finance, the progress, relationship, children conceptions. All these things are there in the northeast. The moment you see a home with a bad northeast, take my words, the health is gone, the seven chakras is gone, the finance is gone, the progress is gone. Forget about looking at his horoscope. He has a Raj Yoga going, and that Raj Yoga Dasha is going, still nothing is working for that person. That is the importance. In my last lecture, I have taught you people Brahmastan, keep it clean and good. Same way, try to give a blue theme towards the northeast. Make a garden, but make sure you don't keep heavy trees or heavy gamlas in the northeast. It should be lighter. Don't make a parking of your car. Car is like 2,000 tons minimum. No? Don't do that. Not do that. Because if you do that, you lost the energy of northeast. It's that simple as that. And if you lose the energy of northeast, nothing is going to work. I hope I'm making some sense to you. I'm, I hope I'm going deep into the northeast and telling you that, ladies and gentlemen, you've got to be careful. You've got to be careful because this is one of the most auspicious directions in the world. You take the entire world, forget about your house. Tell me northeast. Northeast where you have this Kailash Parvat where Shiva is residing and is deep in the meditation. I think no angle in the world would be as auspicious as that particular area of northeast. Trust me. Trust me. So this is one of the most important concepts. Whenever I visit for a vastu, whenever I call for videos, because I do a lot of online vastu. I've done almost more than 1500 online vastus in the western part of the world, almost 10 years. And you know what? The conceiving problem, the ego wars at home is directly related to bad northeast. I've seen this happening. That cat and the rat race which is happening at home, and you go to doctor, you get your all reports done, there's no problem, still you're not healthy. It's your northeast. Because that Mahamrityunjay, energy, that Sanjeevani is coming from Shiva is not coming at your home. It is that simple. That's that simple. He wants to give you that Sanjeevani. It's not coming. You blocked it. He wants to give you prosperity. Jupiter wants to give you knowledge and clarity. You stopped it. It is not coming. It is absolutely not coming. That is where the problem is. So, to understand a kona, to understand the direction, you need to know the devata, not just the devata, but the planetary associations and clarity on that particular direction. Only then you people will learn real Vastu. It's a very small, crisp, but a powerful, presentation that I wanted to give to you. And I'm open for questions if you have any. Yes, Yogi.
Sir, the concept we discussed about Northeast with perspective to Kailash Parvat and Shankarji, so that applies correctly in case where we are in India. But how about like the all other geographies of the world? Uh, I mean, is it always going to be Northeast for all the regions in the world?
Absolutely, yes.
Okay.
Absolutely, yes. You see, the Kailash Parvat is not in the northeast of India, but it is in the northeast of the world. Tell me. That is why this is called, we are called Eastern countries, and you are sitting in the western part of the world. When you say India, what is the definition which is coming? The definition which is coming is what? The eastern part of the world, isn't?
Yes, yes.
And the entire, you take the Kona, the exact northeast would not be up in the Russia somewhere in the China. No, 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 no. It is, see, that is why it is coming in the area of China, which is most auspicious. And it is, you can see the scientists have gone, they have discovered it is exact northeast.
Hmm. And
Okay.
sir, has it something to do with like celestial, constellations? That
Yes, it does. You know, there's a small example that no mountaineer, there's this guy who climbed the mountains. they would have
Mm-hmm.
they are able to reach Kailash, correct?
Yeah, yeah.
The amount of energy which is there is superb. And there are so many constellations that get energized. All the nakshatras that belong to Jupiter and Surya, you know, these nakshatras as very much, they are very powerful. And look at those signs, 159. Where is
Mm-hmm.
159? In the east, and 4812 in the north. You understand the importance of 159 sign and 4812? How huge is the understanding? 159 is Purva, 4812 is Uttara, the moksha.
Yes. So, sir, this whole concept of like inclination towards north, northeast is just mainly to receive the energy and not to
Yes.
block any energy coming from the northeast. Uh, and opposite to it is like the southwest direction where we want to stop the energy coming, bad energy coming into the house. So we make higher things there and put up bigger trees there, try to like sort of block all the unwanted energy.
You nailed it. You bang on. People are telling all the things that you're telling, but nobody is explaining it logically. Nobody is see with looking at this video, people would understand the importance. People are understanding Northeast, but nobody's told them the potency of the energy which is coming. It says Ashan कौन है वहां पे भगवान होते हैं वहां मंदिर होना चाहिए वो होना चाहिए अरे can you tell the level of potency, the level of priority that should be there in the Northeast?
So one more question. Like the way you showed the Vastu person in the northeast, inclined. So all the chakras are also inclined. So should we be sleeping also in that direction?
No,
Like with the
never,
no?
never,
Okay.
no. See, you cannot initiate your chakras while sleeping, right? You can meditate in
Yeah,
that
yeah,
direction.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
You can always meditate. It is the
Okay,
best position for meditation.
okay, okay. And so last, uh, if if somebody has like issues in northeast, then what could be the remedies? Like, and in cases like where you cannot have remedy, you'll have to change the structure and all. What are like
See,
those like
see,
always you
cleanliness,
cannot have?
keep it clean, right?
Mm-hmm.
First thing, keep it auspicious.
Okay.
Do not have any toilets or something there,
Mm-hmm.
right? And keep it like light. Do not keep it heavy, right? Even if you have a room there, try to make it a study room. Try to make it a living room, right? Without the bar, right? Uh, Try to make it a room which is meditative, a meditation room, or where you want to learn music even. So where
Mm-hmm.
a lot of intelligence and clarity is required. Just make that and you see the results.
Thanks.
Okay?
So,
Yeah, Dr. Shruti.
sir, अगर if there is a toilet in the ईशान कोण, है टॉयलेट तो फिर मतलब
उसको आप एक्सक्रीशन के लिए यूज मत करो, नहाने के लिए कर लो.
ओके
Don't use for excretion, just use it for bathing.
ओके and if there are a lot of these electrical sockets etc then like वो
That
जो
is that is
घर में
bad.
जो
That
वायरलेस वगैरह
see,
जहाँ
you're saying is you're talking about electrical or electric panel.
तो राहु हो गया ना सर
Bad, bad. आपके घर पे हर इंसान का मुंह अपनी तरफ एक अलग तरफ होगा, वो हर बंदा अपनी अपनी जिंदगी जी रहा होगा. That means eventually it is deceptiveness which is coming at home. Rahu is deceptive, no?
हम्म, हम्म, हम्म,
कहीं ना कहीं चीटिंग, पति चीट कर जाएगा, पति पत्नी चीट कर जाएगी, या पत्नी नहीं, अगर पत्नी शरीफ होगी तो पति चीट कर जाएगा. Some cheating, some third person, extramarital affair, all these things will come. ठीक है. Yes, Disha.
Hare Krishna, sir.
Hare Krishna.
Sir, why can't there be a water source?
See,
Because
water source means you're digging.
okay,
So when you dig, you lose the energy. आप जब dig करोगे किसी चीज को, तो जो digging है वो obstacle है ना एक.
okay,
So you should
ठीक है.
not dig.
Okay, got it.
Yes,
Thank
Karuna.
Yes, sir. First question is like it's exact 45 degree
Exact
Ishan Kosh.
45 degree. Yes. Exact.
and
45.
there is no range for that.
No, it's exact 45 degree.
Fine.
Which I showed you on the presentation.
Yes, sir. And the other is it मतलब सबके साथ जाएगा with all floors.
With all floors.
Okay. Fine, sir.
Yes, Simrat.
Yeah, so my question is regarding that 45 degree. When I was looking at the PPT, that slide showed 45 degrees somewhere else, and then you showed exactly that. Could you look at the PPT? I'm getting confused between that arrow, exact arrow.
Sure. 1 second. I'm just gonna show you the presentation, and I'm going to go it over here.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So the middle circle, usually I in math we consider that as exact 45, but आपने ये से ये बनाया, there's a reason behind it.
No, there's no reason behind it, right? The only reason behind it is that I just ये जो north east है वो नीचे है स्टार, और उसका जो beam of light है वो थोड़ी सी ऊपर आई हुई है. You
I
understand?
got you.
वो
I got you, sir.
उसको
I
ऊपर
got you.
दिखा रहा हूँ मैं, एक पॉइंट करने की एक वो है. That's it.
Okay, and so my second question is, like for the Brahmasthana, we took around 20% portion of
Yeah.
the whole plot. For
Yeah.
Northeast, what should we take?
See, we should take around, one direction that you say, see, what happens is this is defined in terms of padas. Okay.
Okay.
Like, there are 36 padas in a square or a rectangular plot. Every, I'll let me show you in the whiteboard. Just let me show you. I'll just share the screen. 1 second. Okay, so जैसे अगर आपका ये प्लॉट है, इस प्लॉट में ना पदास दिए जाते हैं. मान लीजिए ये नॉर्थ है, और ये साउथ है, ये वेस्ट है, ये ईस्ट है. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर पदास होते हैं 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. इनको लोग पदास भी बोलते हैं और गेट्स भी बोलते हैं, एंट्री लेवल्स, राइट. इसी तरह से 9 यहाँ होते हैं, 9 साउथ में होते हैं, 9 वेस्ट में होते हैं. और ब्रह्म स्थान से खड़े होकर जो एक पदा की पोजीशन, जितनी एक पदा की जगह होती है यहाँ पर और यहाँ पर, ये जो एंगल बनेगा इतना, ये आपका नॉर्थ ईस्ट का बीम बन जाएगी, राइट. हम जितना मर्जी डिमेंशन बाय 30 बाय 60 हो जाए, 30 बाय 30 हो जाए, हम उसको 9 पदाओं में डिवाइड करेंगे उस डायरेक्शन को, और उतनी बीम निकलती है. और वहां से डायरेक्शन आपको वहां पर खड़े होकर उस पर्टिकुलर, अब हर प्लॉट का साइज डिफरेंट होगा ना, हर प्लॉट का साइज सेम तो हो नहीं सकता. तो उनके पदार्थ, उनके 9 गेट्स भी जो है वो डिफरेंटली निकलेंगे, और वहां से तो ये 5% भी हो सकता है, 10 भी हो सकता है, उससे कम भी, उससे ज्यादा भी हो सकता है.
Yeah, so it depends upon the plot.
Yes.
Okay, sir. सर यही मेरा एक पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन. सो एंड डेफिनेटली इस एरिया में डाइनिंग रूम भी नहीं होना चाहिए फिर.
अगर आप सात्विक खाते हैं तो बना सकते हैं, बट आइडली आई डोंट वांट.
ओके. एंड सर जैसे डॉक्टर श्रुति ने पूछा था दैट देयर आर इलेक्ट्रिकल पैनल्स. नाउ यू कांट चेंज इलेक्ट्रिकल पैनल्स क्योंकि वो तो
देखो उसका कोई हल नहीं है, वो गलत एक दोष है जो वहां पर आ गया. बट इलेक्ट्रिकल पैनल्स जो हैं वो मूव हो सकते हैं अगर एक्सटेंशन उनकी कर दी जाए. बट अगर उसका कोई हल नहीं है तो जब हमारे पास फिर एक देयर इज अ टेप दैट वी यूज, तो उससे, उस टेप से जो है आपको वो इलेक्ट्रिकल पैनल जो है वो लॉक कर देना चाहिए ताकि वो एक साइड पे हो जाए. और टेक्निकली इट्स अ मेजर दोष. आई मीन,
आई गॉट यू सर.
या
तो मतलब वहां पे जैसे मेरे घर पे है कि इट इज वो पूरा ना, वो पूरा वायरिंग ही वहां पे उन लोग ने निकाली है. तो एक्चुअली इंटरनेट के वायर और वो दुनिया भर के वायर वो नॉर्थ ईस्ट कॉर्नर में निकले हुए हैं.
तो प्रॉब्लम आ जाती है बेटा उसमें.
तो अगर मैं उसको साइड पे करवाऊं तो
तो
भी वहां
एटलीस्ट साइड पे
अंदर तो
करवाओ
कुछ रहेगा
उसको,
ना.
साइड पे करवाओ उसको, साफ करवाओ, कुछ तो फर्क पड़ेगा उससे. राहु केतु को लॉक कर दो. एक हमारे पास स्ट्रिप्स आती हैं वो लगा के, ताकि हम उस एनर्जी को मैसेज दे दें कि हमने इस एनर्जी को लॉक कर दिया है, आपके लिए रास्ता खुला हुआ है.
एंड सर इवन इफ इट्स अ रेंटेड अपार्टमेंट लाइक.
सी जो पर्सन उसमें रहेगा, चाहे वो रेंटेड है चाहे अपना है, उसमें इफेक्ट तो आएगा ही ना.
हाँ जी, हाँ जी, हाँ जी. ठीक है सर.
सर ये आप
सर
कौन
मैं
सी
एक
टेप
और
बता रहे हैं?
सॉरी.
गो अहेड सिमरत जी.
नहीं कोई बात नहीं मेरी. आप बोलिए योगेंद्र जी.
मैं बस यही पूछा था, वो जो सर आप बता रहे हैं ना कि क्या टेप लगाने हैं, क्या होता है वो टेप?
There is a tape which is there which I'll share with you when we do the remedies in Vastu. एक टेप होती है जिससे ना एनर्जी ब्लॉक हो जाती है. टॉयलेट, अगर टॉयलेट सीट गलत बनी हो तो वी आल्सो यूज अ टेप. तो एक रेमेडी है एक तरह की, जिससे आप
सर
एक
एक
एरिया की जो एनर्जी है उसको उसी एरिया के अंदर लॉक कर देते हो, उसको बाहर नहीं निकलने देते हो.
सर एक चीज़ मैंने देखी थी, कुछ वीडियोस देखे थे मैंने ऑनलाइन, उसमें दिखा रहे थे कि जैसे ये जो एनर्जी आती है, एमिट होती है टीवी और वाईफाई वगैरह से, उसको है ना एब्जॉर्ब करता है, ये रुद्राक्ष एब्जॉर्ब कर लेते हैं.
देखिए, देयर बहुत सी भ्रांतियां हैं जो वहाँ रखी गई हैं. डेफिनेटली रुद्राक्ष बहुत पावरफुल एनर्जी होती है, लेकिन आप ये सोचिए कि रुद्राक्ष अगर उसको ऑब्जर्व कर भी लेता है तो आपकी क्या हिम्मत या सात्विकता है घर पे रुद्राक्ष रखने की.
या
क्योंकि
दैट इज फॉर श्योर.
दैट इज द प्रॉब्लम, बिकॉज उधर से तो आपने रुद्राक्ष रखा है, उधर से आपका घर सात्विक नहीं है, राजसिक या तामसिक है, तो वही रुद्राक्ष आपको गलत रिजल्ट देने लग जाता है. वो वैराग्य की तरफ आपको लेके जाता है, और आप वैराग्य चाहते नहीं है.
हाँ, अकेले नहीं चाहते हैं सब.
करेक्ट. ठीक है. शैल वी कंक्लूड? मजा आया आज?
सर मैं एक
जी,
चीज
यू हैव
शेयर कर
क्वेश्चन?
सकती हूँ.
हाँ सिमरत.
सर मैं ये शेयर करना चाहती हूँ कि यूएस में ना जैसे बहुत सारे डाइवर्सिटी है. देयर मेनी पीपल फ्रॉम डिफरेंट प्लेसेस ऑफ द वर्ल्ड हियर पीपल लिव हियर. तो जैसे कोरिया के जो लोग होते हैं, आप बिलीव नहीं करोगे, दे थिंक दैट हाउस इज लकी जिसका जो बैक होता है वो हायर रेज्ड होता है. एंड
यस.
ऑब्वियसली यूजुअली वो नॉर्थ ईस्ट लेते हैं फ्रंट डोर्स. तो आप खुद सोचो स्लोप अपने आप हो गई नीचे की तरफ और वो लकी मानने लग जाते हैं उस घर को.
यस 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 यस. अमेजिंग.
दैट्स
बस
हाउ.
वही शेयर.
ये मतलब मैंने ये पढ़ा भी था कि जैसे आपका घर बन रहा है और जिस साइड से ईस्ट साइड है, तो उस साइड पे एक फ्लोर कम बनाओ, और जो उसके अपोजिट है उसको फ्लोर एक ज़्यादा बना दो, तो उससे भी सही रहता है.
बिल्कुल हो जाता है, बिल्कुल सही आपने पकड़ा है. राइट, दैट्स वेरी नाइस. सी, स्मॉल स्मॉल ऑब्जर्वेशंस इज ज्योतिष. मैंने तो ज्योतिष सीखा ही कुदरत के साथ जुड़ के, कुदरत की ऑब्जर्वेशंस. व्हेन आई गो फॉर माय chant walk, walk in the morning or japa walk in the morning, कुदरत के साथ जुड़ के इतने नक्षत्र, इतनी चीजें पता लगती हैं कि मैं बिलीव नहीं कर सकता। आप जब आप नक्षत्रों को समझेंगे, हर पेड़ पौधा जीव जंतु जब आपको नजर आता है, वो कुछ ना कुछ नक्षत्र का एक सिग्नल आपको बताता है कि आपका पूरा दिन कैसा रहेगा।
Yes.
कभी कभी तो आपको ये भी पता लग जाता है कि आपके पास इतने तरह के आज क्लाइंट आएंगे और यहाँ यहाँ से आएंगे। नक्षत्र आपको सुबह मॉर्निंग में ही मैसेज दे देते हैं। ये आपको 3 महीने बाद पता लगेगा जब आप अपने नक्षत्र कंप्लीट कर लेंगे।
तो मुझे एक चीज पूछनी थी आपसे।
हाँ जी।
आप सर रोज कैसे 16 राउंड्स करते हैं?
बहुत
मतलब
आसान है यार, उसमें कोई आदत पड़ जाए तो बहुत आसान है, कुछ भी नहीं है।
सर मेरे से किसी दिन हो जाता है, मेरे से तो किसी किसी दिन होता ही नहीं है।
देखो,
मतलब
अगर खाना
हाँ
खाते हो ना, रोज नहाते हो, डॉक्टर
हाँ
जाते हो, सब कुछ करते हो, तो
हम्म,
इसको भी उसी तरह से रखो तो हो जाएगा।
हाँ जी सर।
माइंडसेट है डॉक्टर साहब, माइंडसेट है।
हाँ जी हाँ जी।
सर एक क्विक क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहती हूँ, आपने
हाँ जी
नक्षत्र किया है
जी।
तो अगर जैसे नॉर्थ ईस्ट डायरेक्शन है और हमने कहा वो जुपिटर के साथ है, तो
हम्म
कोई जैसे कोई कंसीव ना कर पा रहा हो या कुछ हो, तो
हम्म
मैंने सुना है कि जुपिटर को लाइक बनाना ट्री
हम्म
को
हम्म।
करते हैं, तो अगर कोई अपना वहां बनाना ट्री लगा ले नॉर्थ ईस्ट डायरेक्शन में और पूजे, इज इट पॉसिबल और
घर
इज इट नॉट?
घर पे कभी बनाना ट्री नहीं लगाना चाहिए, इट इज इनऑस्पिशियस। क्यों?
ओह,
क्योंकि आपका जो घर है वो पवित्र नहीं होता है। बनाना ट्री रिप्रेजेंट्स जुपिटर, बृहस्पति एनर्जी, और आपकी इतना लेवल नहीं होता है कि आप एक ऋषि मुनि की तरह अपनी कुटिया बना के रह रहे हैं, जहाँ पर कि वो एनर्जी, अगेन दैट एनर्जी ऑफ बृहस्पति इज डिस्टर्ब, बिकॉज आपने, जैसे आप कहेंगे कि चलो मैं एग नहीं खाता लेकिन मेरे हस्बैंड खाते हैं, मेरे बच्चे खाते हैं, या हम बाहर से कोई राजसिक खाना लाते हैं, तो ऐसे सर्कमस्टांसेस में इतनी पवित्र चीजें, माँ तुलसी को छोड़कर, वो भी तुलसी की डायरेक्शन भी नॉर्थ ईस्ट ही होती है,
यस
और
सर,
उनको
डेफिनेटली।
उनको छोड़ के कोई भी ऐसा ट्री जो है, जैसे जो बृहस्पति या विष्णु जी की एनर्जी को रिप्रेजेंट करता हो, नहीं लगाना चाहिए।
ओके
हम
सर,
स, हम सतयुग में नहीं है, वी आर इन कलयुगा।
ओके,
प्रोटोकॉल्स हैव
डेफिनेटली
चेंज्ड।
सर, आपकी बात बहुत सही है सर, इट डज मेक सेंस कि if you are not so pure then you should not bring so pure things near you and then you are going to destroy that also.
Absolutely, and then you are going to challenge Mother Nature and you will be in trouble.
Yes sir, thank you sir.
Thank you.
सर घर में फिर शालिग्राम के पत्थर भी नहीं रखने चाहिए?
It is very, very heavy to keep Shaligram. Very, very heavy to keep Shaligram. It is not a piece of cake. Shaligram has the ability to change and transform life, right? But then, if you are not spiritually prepared for Shaligram, it will, you know, your life will become like a roller coaster ride. It will put you upside down. So you've got to be a great Shiva devotee. You got to be Sato, a lot of Sattva gun in you to handle the energy of a Shaligram, right? 99% people doesn't have that energy. There are very few people who have that energy, and those people who have, they get vairagya. They are above the materialistic zone, and they reach to some level and connect to the source energy of Shiva. But then, people bring Shaligram at home expecting they will get money, they will get cars and prosperity. But the purpose of Shaligram is extremely different. So this is where the disconnect is coming. Okay.
Sir,
हाँ जी।
I have sir.
कृष्णा भैया एक क्वेश्चन था।
हाँ जी, हाँ जी, हरे कृष्णा योगी, आई एम कमिंग टू यू। हरे कृष्णा दीदी। हाँ जी।
जी भैया, अगर एंट्रेंस ही नॉर्थ ईस्ट से बड़ा वाला गेट हो और कार पार्क वहीं पे हो तो ब्लैक कलर की हो तो चलेगा?
देखिए, गाड़ी वहां पर आप कोशिश करिए कि सिर्फ रात को, दिन में मत खड़ी रखिए, या अगर उसको बदल
हम
सकते
तो
हैं।
ऑफिस जाते हैं तो सारा दिन उनके पास
देखिए,
होते हैं तो
पता
शाम
क्या
को
है,
आते
वो
हैं।
ब्लॉक होगी वो जगह, तो टेक्निकली वो एक गलत चीज है। ठीक है ना, मेन गेट नॉर्थ ईस्ट में, उसकी पार्किंग लेफ्ट राइट पे हो जाती, उस कोण में ना होती तो बढ़िया रहता। लेकिन जब पार्किंग आपने बता दी तो आपने नॉर्थ ईस्ट को हैवी कर दिया।
जी
ये जो है धन जो है चला जाता है, ईगो रहती है घर में और बीमारियां रहती हैं। तो इसलिए जो है आपको अवॉइड करना चाहिए कि आप नॉर्थ ईस्ट में गाड़ी लगाएं।
जी भैया, थैंक यू।
यस योगी।
सर मेरे मेरे घर में केले का पेड़ लगा हुआ है, मतलब बाहर लगा है आंगन के, मतलब एग्जिट के बिल्कुल जो पोर्च है उसके पीछे साइड में एक हाई एलिवेशन पे लगा हुआ है।
वो आपने
मैं क्योंकि
लगाया है?
हाँ मैंने लगाया था क्योंकि मैं व्रत रखता था गुरुवार के। 3 साल मैंने व्रत किया। अभी पिछले साल ही जब मेरी दिक्कत स्टार्ट हुई, ये शनि महादशा स्टार्ट हुई, तब मैंने छोड़ दिया। फिर मैंने उद्यापन कर दिया पूजा करके।
आप दोबारा रखने शुरू कर दो, रिस्पेक्ट दैट ट्री।
ओके
वैसे भी आप सात्विक हैं तो इतनी फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, आप उसको रिस्पेक्ट करो और व्रत दोबारा से रखने शुरू करो गुरुवार के।
ओके ओके।
ठीक है, मजा आया आज?
यस सर।
पावर
सर
पैक था?
बहुत मजा आया, बहुत मजा आया।
ठीक है, यूट्यूब पे डाल दें इसको?
डाल दो सर, परमिशन है।
Yes, sir.
चलो ठीक है, तो अभी हम अपनी परंपरा जो है वो करते हैं।